Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a very interesting poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, from English Marigold book of CBSE class 4. So let's start. Don't Be Afraid of the Dark from Unit 5 of CBSE class 4. Let's start with first stanza. Don't be afraid of the dark. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. See students, in this first stanza, here the poet tells a little child, little one, not be afraid of the dark. Generally, children are afraid of light because of the darkness it brings. The poet is trying to explain that it is very important for night to come after day. He says that it is important for the sun to go down after the whole day so that the earth can take rest during the night and all the creatures on it can sleep peacefully. Now we will continue with our last or second stanza. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Now we will see explanation of this last stanza. The poet tells the little child that night is a friend to us and there is nothing to be afraid of it. In the morning our mind is busy with worries and hurries, but at night it is at peace, relaxed and can take relief from daily works. We can dream of different things and feel happy, so we can say that night is friendlier to us than day. And so there is nothing to be afraid of it. See students, for better understanding you should read this explanation again and again. Now we will see new words of this poem. See new words. Afraid. Afraid means frightened, ghabrana. Dark. Dark means no light. Rest. Rest means we should be relaxed. Then harsh. Harsh means we can say rough or cruel. Then forever means always. Then troubles means difficulties, and cease means at the end of something. Now it's poem recitation time, friends. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Now we will see questions and answers of the poem. So let's start with first question. What is the poem about? The poem is about how to not get afraid of the darkness. Now we will see second number question. What happens when the day is over? The answer is night comes when the day is over. Now we will see third number question. What does the earth do when the day is over? The answer is the earth takes rest when the day is over. Now we will see four number question. What does the poet want us to do at night? The answer is the poet wants us to think about our friends at night. Now here is fifth number question. Are these sentences true or false? Now we will see all these true or false in answer sheet. Now we will start with first true or false. So see, the poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. Yes, it is false. Now second one, the poet says that stars will always shine at night. Yes, it is true. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. Yes, this one also true. See student, now here are some words given. We want to join that words and make another word. For example, moon plus light, it means moonlight. Good plus night, good night. Water plus fall, waterfall. Then break plus fast, breakfast. Then day plus break, daybreak. And last one, rain plus bow, rainbow. See student, every words have their own and different meanings. Moon have its own meaning, light have its own meaning, and moonlight, this third number word, have also its own meaning. Now here are some opposite words. So let's start with first word, war. Its opposite word is peace. Then enemies, friends. Then gentle, harsh. And light, dark. Night, day. And last one is start, cease. Cease means end. Now we will see full forms of the given words. Didn't means did not. Shouldn't means should not. Wouldn't, would not. Couldn't means could not. And at last, mustn't means must not. Now we want to see same sound words with different meanings and different spellings. See, TOO, two, TWO, two. Then ONE, one. Then WON, on. Dear, dear. Sun, sun. I hope you have understood the poem. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes. Once again, thanks for watching.